welcome back to a brand new video. So today I'll just be showing you how to make an LED blink using Python and your Raspberry Pi. So first I'm just going to show you what you need to have on your breadboard before you connect it to your Raspberry Pi and enter in some Python code. So you're going to have your breadboard. You need 2 female to male wires, an LED, and a resistor that goes with your LED. So you're going to take the male part of the wire and you're just going to plug them in to any 2 spots in your breadboard as long as they are 1 hole apart. So I'm just going to zoom in. So you can see there's a 1 hole distance between them. And on the side that's red, or whichever side is positive, I'm going to plug my resistor in, which is in the same vertical row as the red wire. And I'm kind of just going to jump it over this little bridge in the middle. And you can see that it's on the same vertical row as the red wire, or the positive in my case. Now, you're going to move your black wire, or negative, and make sure it is 1 dot away from your resistor, the end of your resistor, like so. So you can see there's a 1 hole space between the black wire and the resistor. Now you're going to take your LED and plug the shorter side in the same vertical row as the black wire, or negative, and the longer side with the resistor. So this is all you need to do with your breadboard, and now I'm going to show you what you need to do with Python. All the parts right here. You're going to click up here, go to File Explorer, and this is inside of the Raspberry Pi computer in case you didn't know. You're going to right click and create new, empty file, and do whatever name you want, but make sure it ends in .py. So I'm already done mine, so I'm not going to create it, but make sure it ends in .py, whatever file you're doing. So now you're going to open up that file and you're going to copy the following code. And so it's pretty simple. This is just to make the LED blink once. So it's import rpi.gpio as GPIO, import time, gpio.setMode, gpio.bcm, gpio.setup 18, gpio.out, gpio.output 18, true, time.sleep2, and then it's the same thing, just saying false, and then just saying true, and then sleep for 5 seconds. And then GPIO cleanup, which is very important to make sure that it pretty much cleans it up and ends up the program. So now we're going to run it and see what happens. But before that, it is very important that you entered in the right pins into your Python code. So the Python code for me, I am using the GPIO pin 18. As you can see right there, I'm using 18 false and then 18 true. So that means 18 is the pin I'm going to be using for my positive wire, which is going to be giving power to my LED. So you can look at a pinout for your Raspberry Pi to figure out what pin 18 is. So you need to plug in the black one, or the negative, into a ground pin, which in my case is the second one in the same row. 2 pins in front of it, so it's actually the third one. And then my positive is in the 6th pin, which is pin 18. So now I can run the code and I will see the LED blinking. On this little thing right there, which is on the right of the files, and then it brings up the terminal, and you're just going to type in Python and then the name of the file. The name of my file is ledblink1.py, so it says Python ledblink1.py. Now when I click enter, I'm going to show you what happens to the LED. So I'm going to click enter. You see it turns on, turns off, turns on, it stays for around 5 seconds, and then turns off. And then once it finishes, it comes back to the same screen as it was before, so you can do your next command or you can exit. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Break them.